Transfer your Authenticator app to a new phone.
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic: how to transfer your Authenticator app to a new phone. Authenticator apps are key to securing your online accounts, and knowing how to move them between devices is crucial.
What is an Authenticator app?
An Authenticator app is a tool that generates unique, temporary codes for you to use during two-factor authentication processes. These apps add an additional layer of security to your online accounts. Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and Authy are popular examples of these apps.
Why do you need to transfer?
When you get a new phone, you'll want to continue having the convenience and security of your Authenticator app. Transferring the app to your new device ensures you don't lose access to your two-factor codes. This process, however, varies depending on the Authenticator app you're using.
How to transfer Google Authenticator?
For Google Authenticator, you'll need to manually move each account. Here's how. 1. On your old phone, open Google Authenticator. 2. In the top right, tap More and then Transfer Accounts. 3. Tap Export Accounts. You might need to sign in. 4. From the list, select the accounts to transfer and then tap Next. 5. On your new phone, open Google Authenticator. 6. In the top right, tap More and then Transfer Accounts. 7. Tap Import Accounts, then scan QR code. 8. Point your new phone at the QR code on your old phone. Remember, it's very important to remove the accounts from your old device after transferring them.
How to transfer Authy?
For Authy, the process is simpler. Ensure you've enabled Authy's multi-device feature. 1. On your old phone, open Authy and go to Settings, Devices. 2. Enable Allow Multi-Device. 3. On your new phone, install Authy and register it with the same phone number. 4. You should now see all your Authy accounts on your new phone. 5. Once you're done, go back to your old phone and disable Allow Multi-Device under Settings Devices. This ensures your codes aren't left accessible on other devices. And that's it. We hope you found this guide on how to transfer your Authenticator app to a new phone helpful. As always, keeping your online accounts secure should be a top priority. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. Until next time, stay safe and secure.